I stand before you today to talk about an opportunity that we have to empower and support a group of talented individuals who often face unique challenges in our society, hearing-impaired teenagers. As we all know, photography is not only an art form but also a means of expression, documentation, and communication. It transcends barriers of language, allowing us to capture and share our stories with the world. Sadly, many hearing-impaired teenagers lack access to formal photography training and often struggle to find suitable employment options. However, we have the power to change that, to open doors and provide them with the tools they need to earn a living through their passion for photography. Imagine a world where these young individuals can seize opportunities and share their unique perspectives through the lens of a camera. Offering them free photography training not only empowers them but also enables them to earn a sustainable income by doing what they love, capturing the beauty of the world around us. Mr. SURESH GUPTA, a retired general manager from the esteemed public sector organization BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, and the director of BPGM Academy of Photography, has embarked on a noble initiative to commemorate the legacy of his father, late Mr. Bhagwati Prasad Gupta, who was a trailblazer in the field of photography education, leaving an indelible mark on the industry. In honor of his father's legacy, Mr. SURESH GUPTA has established the BPGM Academy of Photography, dedicated to imparting photography training to underprivileged and handicapped students. The Academy's mission is deeply rooted in providing a platform for those who face challenges in accessing education and training opportunities. By focusing on the underprivileged and handicapped, the Academy aspires to bridge gaps and empower individuals with the transformative skill of photography. Mr. Gupta has graciously offered his services free of cost to Asha Niketan School for hearing-impaired students. Sister Sarojini, the principal of Asha Niketan, and Sister Rohini have taken a commendable initiative to establish a weekend class at our school, providing an invaluable opportunity for our students to learn the art of photography. The establishment of this weekend class not only aligns with the mission of the BPGM Academy of Photography but also exemplifies a genuine commitment to inclusivity and empowerment. Mr. Gupta's dedication to offering his expertise without any cost is truly commendable, and we are humbled by his selfless contribution to the education and development of our students. The impact of this initiative extends far beyond the realms of photography. It opens doors for our hearing-impaired students to explore their creativity, build new skills, and, most importantly, feel a sense of inclusion and accomplishment. Recognizing the importance of providing professional training to the hearing-impaired community, we appeal to organizations and institutes dedicated to the well-being and development of the hearing-impaired, both in India and across the globe. Our belief is that empowering individuals with professional skills can significantly contribute to their independence and self-sufficiency. Our Academy, committed to inclusivity and empowerment, is ready to share the responsibility and support organizations in their endeavors. We are prepared to organize online classes tailored to the specific needs of hearing-impaired individuals. These classes will be designed to provide professional training in the field of photography, opening up new avenues for skill development and potential career opportunities. Furthermore, we are excited to announce the launch of a dedicated YouTube channel that will feature classroom videos specifically designed for hearing-impaired students. Subscribing to this channel will grant access to valuable educational content, enabling individuals to learn and grow in a supportive and accessible environment. If your organization feels that our Academy can contribute to your initiatives or if there are specific ways we can collaborate, please do not hesitate to reach out. We are eager to work together towards the shared goal of empowering the hearing-impaired community through professional training and skill development. Our all contact details are mentioned in comment box.